Unlike Europe or Africa, the Asia-Pacific is not a continent. Unlike the European Union, it is not a political organization. So what exactly is the Asia-Pacific, and why does it matter so much? The answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. The Asia-Pacific has no fixed or universally accepted boundaries. Depending on the context, it can refer to either a narrow or a broad geographic region. In its narrowest sense, the Asia-Pacific mainly refers to East Asia, Southeast Asia, and Oceania. East Asia includes China, Japan, South Korea, North Korea, and Mongolia. Southeast Asia consists of the 10 ASEAN member states, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, the Philippines, Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos, and Brunei. Oceania is primarily represented by Australia and New Zealand. These countries are geographically connected by the Western Pacific Ocean and are closely linked through trade, investment, and regional cooperation. This is a definition mostly commonly recognized by the general public and widely used by Chinese scholars. In a broader sense, however, the Asia-Pacific extends far beyond Asia and Oceania. It includes countries all around the Pacific Rim, stretching across the ocean to the Americas. This broader definition encompasses Pacific-facing nations such as the United States, Canada, Mexico, Peru, and Chile. Some definitions also include Russia's Far East. This wider interpretation is commonly used in discussions of international trade, economic cooperation, and geopolitics. One well-known example is the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation, or APEC. Established in 1989, APEC brings together 21 member economies from across the Asia-Pacific. 19 of these are sovereign countries: Australia, Brunei, Canada, Chile, China, Indonesia, Japan, South Korea, Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea, Peru, the Philippines, Russia, Singapore, Thailand, the United States, and Vietnam. The other two members are the economic entities of Hong Kong and Chinese Taipei. Unlike most international organizations, APEC admits economies rather than sovereign states. That's why it has 21 member economies instead of 21 countries. So the meaning of Asia-Pacific depends on the context. Sometimes it refers only to East Asia, Southeast Asia, and Oceania. Other times it includes countries across the entire Pacific Rim. Regardless of the definition, the Asia-Pacific remains one of the world's most influential regions, driving global trade, economic growth, technological innovation, and geopolitics.